What is up, guys? We are back in sunny Puerto Rico. We are headed to Utuado.
Hi, I'm Christy.
And I'm Steve. Several years ago, we made a crazy decision. We took huge risks, followed a dream we had, and bought a house in Puerto Rico.
Since then, we have put a ton of work into the dream.
We welcome you to join us on our journey
as we show you the beauty of the island through our eyes. Yo, Steve-O! Where are we at?
New York.
Where are we headed?
Philly.
Philly?
I want to get a Fat Man Philly.
Oh, Fat Man Philly, then what happens?
Get an airplane.
To where?
Rico, baby, Rico, Puerto Rico.
Epa! We're going home. Yay.
Your team delivered on time. Go to
We're in Philly, getting the Philly. Some cheese fries. We ended up getting a park and stay because it was almost as cheap as parking, and I had to come back to New York anyway for a bit. Yeah, we're doing it. Philly time. It's 3:30 in the morning and getting ready to go to the airport in Philly. Got a park and stay.
What time is it, Steve?
Party time? Yep.
3 hours and 20 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna have the pedal to the metal.
3 hour, 20-minute flight time, Philadelphia to San Juan. We have a whole row.
Salud. And when you finally are descending into Puerto Rico, what an incredible feeling. We opted to go with a off-site rental car place this time because it was cheaper, but I don't recommend it, and they have hidden fees. You said new or what song?
New.
First thing on the agenda, get the hot tub filled up. Oh yeah, sweating already. Look at, I got some platanos. Got some plantains coming in. For some reason, video wasn't capturing that. I need to do some trimming on this fence lawn. A lot of this stuff needs to be trimmed out. But yeah, plantains, platanos, right there. So those will be yummy. All right, now that we got the cars going, we got the hot tub filled up, we got settled in, had a couple drinks. Now it's time to go see my best friend on the mountain here. So here we go.
Hiram.
We got the little Kia rental car. Putting this thing to the test.
It's pretty nice. It smelled like rubber when we got up here, but
Yeah, well, that's to be expected. We're going up hills that are almost straight up and down. I just can't film it.
I didn't like this one. But if you know, you know.
Oh yeah, these mountains in Puerto Rico are no joke.
There's a couple of people out there watching the no. Hi, Candy. Hi, Candy.
Poor Candy.
That's a big avocado tree.
Let's see.
Those guys. You think he's gonna be surprised? Do you think he's gonna be surprised?
He's gonna be surprised.
He doesn't know we're coming. Hiram doesn't know we're coming. We didn't tell him. So look at him.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Cómo estás, mi amigo?
Hi, Panda. You like me? Hi, Panda. Panda. Come here, buddy. Say, oh my God. Panda. Panda. Hi, Iron. Good. How are you? Panda.
Don't tell me, Trump, they put you out.
Yeah, they kicked us out. We got deported.
Oh my God.
So Iram and Steve are down picking spinach, or at least checking out the spinach. And I'm curious. I know this is star fruit over here. That tree. Wow, what is this? You never know what you're gonna find. Marosa, maybe? Let's pick some of this. We'll see what that is. And then I also want to know what this is. This thing's huge. I think it might be a jackfruit. Babe! Yeah. What is this, Iram? Pick that.
Yeah, it's not edible, but they used it to make bull out of or something, right?
Right, and they
And
use
didn't they use it for like medicine or something too?
the inside,
The Indian?
and rum.
And then this?
No, that one. No.
Pumarosa? What is that?
That's a Jamaican pear.
Oh.
Jamaican pear? You got a whole bunch over there.
Go get him. Go ahead.
And this is a trail down to one of our favorite little swimming spots. Look at that. There's another waterfall down here. You can go down there and swim too. Look how beautiful. It's awesome, right? Let's go down. Forgot my water shoes, so I'm gonna take it a little slow. Whoa. Got this new handy dandy cooler here. Yep. There we go. Take you down to the top of the other falls too, so you can see that. Whew. Whew. That's probably like maybe a 6 or probably more like 8 to 10 foot drop down. But I've seen people jumping off here. All right. And this water, let me tell you, this water is cold. But man, it feels refreshing. And the little fish will come up and they'll chew on your feet here too. It's time to get in the cooler here. Alright, we got the cervezas. We got the medallas, we got the Smirnoffs. Ain't that right, babe? Hey, we're ready to get this party started. Let's get in there and try the water out. Whew. That's how you ice your shoulder, huh? Guys, I'm pretty sure this is glacier water. I think there might be a glacier up there. Mucha fria.
We have glacier water in the Caribbean.
I'm telling you, this is cold. Is it cold? It's freezing. I just came from New York and this is really, really cold.
It's on the border of not frozen.
Yeah. I don't know how cold it is, but it's cold. But refreshing, and what a beautiful place. Check this out. Whoa. And the waterfall. I think I'm gonna get used to it though. But I'm telling you, it's cold. Very, very cold. But so this is one of our normal things that we do here, right, babe? Yeah. We like to or especially me. I love hitting up these waterfalls. She does too. I'm more the river kind of person than the water or than the beach, but the beaches are beautiful too. I like the beach, but we go to a river and swim just about every day. No matter how much work we're doing, we usually make time for going to take a dip. This is the life. This is paradise right here. Pure, unruined, unspoiled paradise. And this is after going to Sam's Club. And guess what we got at Sam's Club? Nothing. I hate shopping. I don't know why it seemed like a good idea. And now I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys just hear how absolutely peaceful and wonderful it is here. This is a great spot for meditation. Feel about as close to our Creator as you can feel when I'm here. You can see these little fish. They come up and chew on you. I got this crayfish that keeps on. Well, I don't know what it is. Crayfish, river shrimp. I don't know what the hell it is, but it keeps on. I saw it on me. Oh, it must be nibbling on me. Pinching me. Once you sit here still for a while, though, these little fish, they'll come and they'll nibble right up on you. Now that we're done swimming, we're gonna go get us some Pinchos. We'll take you with us. We're gonna go hit 10, go up a little ways. There's a place that we And we've been going ever since we started coming to Utuado. And it used to be called Mary's Pinchos. I think now it's like Nancy's Pinchos, maybe? Okay.
But it's the same lady.
Yeah, same person since we've been coming here anyway. And she does a good job.
Oh, man, they're so good.
So I wanted to share this little building right here.
And look at the dogs. Stop, babe. Stop.
Oh, doggies.
Stop.
I don't think those are Setos, but this building right here, this was an old schoolhouse.
It was the first schoolhouse in Utuado.
Yeah, we were told it was the first schoolhouse in Utuado. And now people have horses on it. This road's a little bit rough. I'm gonna try not to tear the bottom off of this rental car because I don't have great insurance on it. And I don't want to fucking pay for it.
It was expensive for crappy insurance.
Super expensive. These places that rent cars off site, off from the airport, we always go through like Alamo or Enterprise. But I just, because they were pretty expensive this time, I decided to go with a place called New Car. And you know, it was like $268 or something
For 9 days.
for 9 days. And I was like, well, that's a great deal. And I even paid for the insurance, which brought it up to that amount. I paid for the insurance. Then I get to the place and they're like, oh, we don't accept that insurance. You got to buy our insurance. And I'm like, no, this is the insurance I got. No, that's what Expedia sells. And we haven't used that insurance since 2019. We parted ways with that company. So I ended up paying $16 a day for insurance that has a $500 deductible.
And we could have just did the car for a day and taken the car back and driven our own car. But
Yeah.
we thought it was a great deal.
Yeah.
And then he could just drive himself back to the airport, which I don't mind driving him to the airport, but he worries about me.
Yeah.
He worries about me driving in the middle of the night from Utuado to San Juan and then back, because...
Well, it's not Utuado to San Juan. It's just like, I would, well, yeah, but I'm saying I don't worry about you when you're with me. I don't worry about it, but it's like, I'm headed to New York. I don't want to leave her in San Juan. She heads to the house, and for some reason she gets, a flat tire stranded on the side of the road. That would really stress me out, so I don't.
Meanwhile, I'll be driving by myself the whole time I'm here. And I've learned just not to tell him things.
Whatever. And here we are, coming up on Nancy's Pinchos, I think. Is it Nancy's bed?
It's what's her name.
It's what's her name's.
Call it.
Nancy, yeah, Nancy. Alright, now pour her head
She
up
used to
here.
be married.
Well, it used to be Mary.
No, she's got great pinchos.
Oh yeah, we got the Pincho bag of goodness. Pinchos and bread. Oh yeah. We got the Pinchos, we got the garlic bread. These are Pinchos de cerdo. So good. It's good, right, babe?
Oh my God, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's the life. Right there. And those flowers right there are hibiscus. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around and watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Join us next week. We're going to go on some adventures, probably to Aguadilla, which is where this beautiful sunset was taken.